Hi there, and welcome to part 4 of my 6-part series on self-publishing with Amazon KDP, where you can start creating and selling ebooks or paperbacks with absolutely no startup costs. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kindle Create, a free software from Amazon that helps you edit the content and layout of your ebook. If you've been following my videos, you should already have your manuscript ready in the correct format, and you'll need it for this video. I'll also post the links to my previous videos in the description in case you want to refer back to them. For this tutorial, you'll need a computer with internet access to download Kindle Create. You don't need the internet while working on Kindle Create. Let's get started. This is Kindle Create. Go ahead and download it from here. Click Choose on the bottom right. Here you will see 3 different formats to choose from based on the type of ebook you want to publish: reflowable, comics, and print replica. Check out the descriptions and key features on the right to see which one fits you. For me, I'm writing a story about myself and will include some photos in the book, so I'll pick the first one, which is reflowable. Click Continue to start the process. Fill in the book title and author name. I'll leave publisher blank since I don't have one. Now click on Choose File at the bottom right and select the manuscript that you created and saved from part 2 of my video series. Wait while it imports and converts your document. You can check out the information in the middle while you wait. Once it's done, click Continue, followed by Get Started. If you've been following my directions for creating the manuscript file, Kindle Create will understand the file, and all the chapters will be automatically generated for you. This is important because it allows your readers to jump to different chapters as they desire while reading your ebook on their devices. Click Accept Selected if the chapters are shown correctly. You can jump to your desired chapters by clicking on the chapter names like this. Before we start, let's save the file first. Click File, then Save Project or Save Project As. Save Project will overwrite your current project, while Save Project As will save a new file while keeping the original file unchanged. While you are editing the text, you can edit it as if you are working on a Microsoft Word document. You can highlight text, make it bold, underline it, add empty lines using the spacebar, and so on. The undo and redo buttons are here if you need them. Here are some common edits you might want to make. I will enlarge the first letter in a chapter and add some space between the chapter title and the text by clicking Chapter First Paragraph. Feel free to experiment with different formatting tools provided by Kindle Create, but make sure you save a backup copy of your file in case something goes wrong. Here's how you can add an image to your ebook. First, click on the location where you want to insert the image. Click Insert and pick the image you want. Click on the image once, and then you can set the size, position, and add alt text using the panel on the right. If you want to delete the image, just click on it and press the Delete button on your keyboard. You can choose different text themes from here. This will change how your text appears in the book. The Preview option allows you to see how your ebook will appear on different devices. Once again, feel free to play around. As long as you have saved a backup copy, there's nothing to worry about. You don't have to finish all the editing in one session. You can always go back to your saved file and continue working on it by clicking Open an Existing File or simply clicking on the name of the file. Once you are done with all the editing, click Export and check KPF, then click Export. Remember the location of this file that you just saved. The file name will end with KPF. You're going to need it for the next step of your ebook publishing journey. In the next video, part 5 of 6, I will show you how to complete setting up tabs 2 and 3 in the Amazon KDP setup page and have your very first ebook ready to publish. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Until next time, see you.